Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will explore how to use the MTD Settings wizard to configure the Making Tax digital services you require. Customers should click on the Personal Profile menu on the home page, and select the MTD Settings menu. Customers should select which Making Tax digital services they wish to use. DIY Tax does both VAT and self-assessment. To optimize the user experience, you will not see any reference to an MTD tax service if you have not selected the service. If the MTD VAT service has been switched on, the VAT setup screen will be displayed, where the user will input the default VAT rate, their VAT number, and their VAT scheme. Customers also have the option to enable the international option. This is only relevant if customers have international sales or expenses. It will prompt the user to select where the expense is incurred, which dictates how the VAT submission is populated. If the MTD ITSA service is enabled, the customer will be asked to select which types of businesses they manage. They can select self-employment businesses, UK property, or foreign property. Customers are required to maintain and submit digital records of these businesses. You can also select whether you wish to use our app to update other types of income. For example, you can check and update their employment income. Other examples include bank interest, dividends, etc. Our intention is to make all the popular tax types available via our app to make the year-end tax submission process as stress-free as possible. This is an important setting. If you have a combined turnover of greater than £90,000, you must categorize your expenses using the expense types permitted by HMRC. If your combined turnover is less than £90,000, you do not have to categorize your expenses. However, categorizing your expenses will give you a better insight into where the costs are in your business. Customers can select to use our live bank integration feature. If enabled, customers can connect to one or more bank accounts and automatically create the transactions in our app straight from their bank. Whilst this is very powerful, it may not always be appropriate if customers are not comfortable with technology or if they only have a small number of income and expense transactions. The app will then prompt you to enter the details of the self-employment businesses and properties. Once you click on the Done button, the app will automatically configure the user interface to only display the features that you enabled. The main screens to change are the home screen and the ITSA screen. For example, you will not see the employment income or year-end tax tabs if they have not been enabled. I hope that this video tutorial has answered any questions you may have had about this feature. Thank you for watching.